guys, what's going on? It's Brianna Southern and I'm here to talk to you today about the top 3 mistakes that salon owners make and how to fix them. So before I jump into it, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am a spa baby. I was pretty much raised in a salon and spa, and so I have a really comprehensive view of the industry just from being around it for so many years. Both my parents are hairdressers, and now I'm actually a cosmetologist in training, so I decided to take the plunge after years and years of working in corporate America and marketing and in retail, and I decided, this was my passion and these are my people, and so I decided to just jump in, and since doing so, in fact, I've increased the revenue at our family business by 30% within the first 6 weeks. So there were some simple things that we were doing wrong and that a lot of other salon owners were doing, and I'm here to tell you how to fix them. All right, so number 1, not having any sense of team. Okay, so it can be, the salon industry can be a very individual industry, and everybody's kind of, especially if you're in a booth rental salon, people kind of have their own lives and they're doing their own thing. It's really important as the salon owner to offer workshops, offer education, offer optional things like that for your renters to really create a sense of team. Now, if you have employees, that is even more of a reason for you to create a sense of team, and you can do that through weekly meetings, through coaching people one-on-one. You can still offer this service to your renters. You can offer it as just an optional kind of thing if it's something that they want to do to challenge themselves. So create a sense of camaraderie and a sense of team. Mistake number 2, not selling retail. Think about this. If your salon is not selling any retail, you're missing out on a major stream of revenue. So there are how many hours in a working day? Let's just say you're working for 8 hours in a day. You can max out on the number of services that you can perform, but you're not gonna max out on how much retail you can potentially sell. And there's so many ways to get creative and really help your customers and your guests and make sure that they're getting the full experience and they're able to really protect their investment when they leave your chair. Because if they're using store-bought products with sulfates and harsh chemicals in them, it is going to strip their hair of all the money that they just invested. And you know who they're going to blame at the end of the day if their hair doesn't look great? It's going to be you. So definitely sell retail. Have different kinds of products in your salon and have stuff that you believe in. I'm a big believer in Matrix. I love them, and I actually have So Colored Cult in my hair right now, but you have to find the brand that's going to be appropriate for your salon. And you'll see it's a great way to also come back to that first point that I made, which is about team. So if you're you can do contests and things like that to get your stylists excited about ways that they can not only make more money, but that they can possibly win prizes and things like that. So definitely you're gonna want to carry retail in your salon. And mistake number 3 is staying in the dark ages. So many salon owners are really afraid to step away from the paper books, to take appointments online. A lot of them are just old school, and that is okay, except you're gonna miss out on a big population, and that is the millennials and young people who love technology, enjoy using it, and are really tech savvy. Not only that, but if you're using the right software, you're gonna have access to reports and numbers that are gonna help inform your business. You're gonna understand, you're gonna have a better idea of what your retail sales are, your rebooking rate, your new client retention, and your repeat customers. So that is something that you want to have. You want to have the right software. Now, I am a Booker affiliate And I absolutely love it because it's made a huge difference in our business. And it was one of the tools that I used to increase our revenue by 30% in just 6 weeks.